Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the Infiniti Q50 front bumper. We will cover everything from gathering your tools to the final disconnection. This guide will help you understand each step, ensuring you can safely and effectively remove the bumper. You will learn about the specific fasteners and their locations, making the process straightforward. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of this common automotive task. To begin, you will need a 10mm socket wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and a panel clip removal tool. First, ensure your vehicle is safely elevated on ramps or jack stands for easy access underneath. Next, open the hood and remove the 8 plastic clips securing the radiator cover, then set the cover aside. Finally, turn your front wheels fully to one side, then the other, to gain better access to the fender liner bolts. Now, let's start removing the fasteners. Begin by taking out the approximately 10mm bolts from the splash shield located underneath the bumper. Then, in each wheel well, remove the two 10mm bolts that connect the bumper to the fender liner. Gently pull back the fender liner to reveal a hidden 10mm bolt near the headlight on each side and remove those. Finally, remove the 8 plastic clips and two 10mm bolts from the top bumper bracket. With all fasteners removed, gently pull the bumper outwards from the sides to release any remaining clips. Be cautious and move slowly. Next, disconnect all electrical connectors for the fog lights and turn signals, typically by pressing a tab and pulling. Once all connections are free, carefully pull the entire bumper away from the vehicle. Reinstallation is simply the reverse process. Ensure every bolt and clip is securely fastened for a proper fit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.